I'm standing outside something that shouldn't exist on Earth. A stray, and what's inside this dome isn't real nature.
This is not CGI. This is a controlled, man-made environment designed to mimic nature. Entrance. But here's the question. Is this really saving nature or replacing it? Because this isn't true wilderness. It's a perfectly controlled illusion. China is investing heavily in artificial ecosystems to protect endangered species.
This looks like Earth, but everything inside that dome is artificially created.
One thing is certain. Places like this are just the beginning.
The future of nature might not be natural at all.
The current framework isn't sustainable long-term.
But what's the alternative? We can't just dismantle everything without a plan.
He's right, we need a phased approach.
China just created a futuristic ecosystem for wild animals, and it doesn't look real.
Rain, temperature, even sunlight can be controlled with precision.
Some experts say this is the future of conservation.